Have you ever asked yourself, do I really deserve a better future? This problem bothers many people, and we often have doubts about ourselves because of past setbacks and failures. In fact, it is these experiences that make us feel vulnerable and uncertain. However, Buddhist wisdom tells us that everyone has infinite potential. As long as we are willing to re-understand ourselves from the bottom of our hearts and believe that we deserve a better future, this change will happen from the inside out. Confidence is the key to inner peace and external success. When we lose confidence in ourselves, we often feel confused and unable to see the road ahead. However, when we rebuild our trust in ourselves and believe that we deserve a better future, we will find that no matter how great the difficulties in front of us are, we have the ability to overcome them. This belief comes from our inner strength, which can not only lead us out of trouble, but also help us succeed in all aspects of life. Enhancing self-confidence is the first step for us to success. Starting from the heart, change starts from today. The starting point of change is not in the external environment, but in our hearts. Buddhist wisdom teaches us that all changes begin with inner awakening and determination. When we decide to no longer be bound by past failures, but choose to believe that we have the ability to change the status quo, our future will become infinitely bright. From today on, take self-confidence as the cornerstone of your life and let your inner strength guide you to a more successful and better future. Believe in yourself, because you deserve a better future. Many people often ignore the importance of self-confidence in the pursuit of success. Inner strength determines how far we can go, and self-confidence is the source of this strength. When we are confident in ourselves, we can deal with any challenges we face with a positive attitude. Self-confidence not only allows us to stay calm in the face of difficulties, but also stimulates our potential ability so that we can achieve greater achievements in all aspects of life. Start building confidence today, because it will become the cornerstone of your success. The inner strength is infinite, which comes from our trust in ourselves and our confidence in the future. When we choose to believe that we have the ability to change the status quo, we can see the light in the dark and find the way to success. No matter what kind of challenges you are facing now, as long as you believe from the bottom of your heart that you deserve a better future, you can break through all difficulties and realize your dreams. Start to believe in yourself, because this will open up infinite possibilities for you. The pain and failure of the past often become the biggest obstacle in our hearts, which prevents us from moving towards a better future. True healing comes from the release and acceptance of our hearts. When we choose to let go of the past and accept our imperfections, we can begin to heal our inner wounds and rebuild our confidence. Get out of the shadow of the past and let's meet the challenges of the future at a more determined pace. Believe in yourself, begin to heal your heart, and welcome a new beginning. Compassion and self-confidence, the way of inner balance. True compassion is not only the kindness of others, but also the care and respect of your own heart. When we learn to treat ourselves with compassion and give ourselves enough confidence and support, our hearts will become stronger and more balanced. This inner balance can help us stay calm in the face of difficulties and solve problems with a positive attitude. Learn to treat yourself compassionately and believe that you have the ability to create a better future.